Oh, dang. Yeah. Finally, I'm winning.
1 minute later.
Wait, what? I'm lost? Dang it, I hate this. Surely there's a better way for me to be spending my time. The question is what though? Let me think.
1 hour later.
I still got nothing.
2 hours later.
Oh, I got it. Jenny, the one person that I can count on when it comes to money making ideas of making that money online. I really hope she's home though. Oh, who cares? Let me call her and bother her. Hey, Jenny. I'm so happy you picked up. How are ya?
Oh, hey, Shelly. Well, you know me. I'm always here for you. Everything's good around here. What made you call me, by the way?
Well, I was playing games on my phone earlier, and it was fun, and then I lost. I'm like, this is not a good way to be wasting my time, actually. So I'll call you and see about some more money-making ideas. I mean, playing games is fun, but it's exhausting playing the games all day and not getting anything out of it. I want to spend my time on much better things. Do you have some more ideas, more ways on, money?
Well, you're just in luck. I actually just got home from work, and there is a new application out there that I have discovered that you can easily download on your phone, and which can also help you earn a lot of money quite easily and fast. How would you love that, Shelly?
Oh my gosh, well, you know it. Of course. I knew you were the right person to call. Can we go see it right now, Jenny?
I knew you would be excited about it. And hey, I assure you, you will really love it. So just let me get on my computer so I can show you everything, okay? See you in a bit, Shelly.
See you, Jenny. I'm really intrigued to know this new method. Hey friends, are you ready for me and Jenny to show you how you can earn over $186 in PayPal money via text? Well, you're just in luck because she's ready and I'm ready. So go ahead, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, ring the notification bell so when I come out with these new videos, you're the first one that gets notified. And then let's jump into the video.
Hi, Shelly. Am I audible now?
Yeah, Jenny, I can hear you loud and clear.
That's fantastic. Let's get this video started. So, for today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step tutorial in which I'll walk you through every step you need to do to make a lot of money. You can earn over $186 and more with this money-making idea if you are ready to put in the effort. Because this is a new and legitimate application that allows you to earn money by just receiving text messages on your phone. So all you need is a smartphone and an active internet connection.
Wait, what? Is it that easy? How come you haven't told me this before, Jenny?
Well, I just discovered it, Shelly, remember?
Oh yeah, sorry. Forgot about that.
It's okay. So as I was saying, yes, it is as easy as that. Just let me guide you so you and your audience can fully understand this, okay?
Yay! Let's do this, Jenny.
Great! So, we've arrived at the main webpage of our application, which is called MCMoney and can be reached at cm.com/MCMoney. And when you go here, you'll notice that it says you may make money just by receiving text messages with this software, as well as get paid real money for helping them enhance global communication. And believe me, Shelly, this is completely legitimate and free, which is why I adore it.
Well, that's cool and all. But why would someone pay me just to receive a text message? I mean, why?
Allow me to explain. If you go down a little farther, you'll notice that they say that allowing them to send text messages to your phone allows them to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put that you assist them in collaborating with other mobile operators. Not to mention the fact that each message you receive adds to your MCMoney bank, which is, take note, actual money. Shelly, don't you think that's quite cool?
That is so cool, Jenny. I am loving this so far. Well, technically, not only me, right guys?
So, according to their website's FAQ section, a lot of organizations throughout the world want to send important SMS messages to consumers like you. It's critical that they test all of the possible SMS routes around the world to ensure effective delivery. Because we utilize your phone number to perform such testing services, you will be compensated for each SMS we send you. After that, you should download the application, which in this case is an APK file that is compatible with all Android smartphones in order to begin earning. Unfortunately, this software is only accessible for Android users at the moment, and it is not available for iPhone users. So, once your app is ready, go through and accept the terms and conditions of usage. Then, select your country of residence, enter your phone number, and verify your phone number. And that's all there is to it. Within the next several days, you should begin receiving text messages along with a welcome bonus. And as I previously stated, you will be earning money for each text you receive. One thing to keep in mind is that the messages will not be messages as we are accustomed to, but rather numbers or a random string of characters sent to you by the corporation. So, once you've confirmed that it's been received in your MCMoney app, you can just erase it. The greatest part is that you don't have to reply or even confirm that you've received it. Also, keep in mind that the quantity of SMS sent to each user per week may vary, and that having a reliable internet connection is the best method to ensure that you receive more. This is because the more they text you, the more money you'll make. To maximize your earning potential, you may also need to unblock the service in your phone settings, depending on the Android phone you use.
But hey, Jenny, out of curiosity, how much can I cash out around here? Because you know I really could use that money now.
I love your curiosity, Shelly. Well, let me show you. When it comes to the payout threshold around here, I feel that is what distinguishes this website from its competitors. As check this out, Shelly, the payout barrier is simply $1, and you can quickly cash out using your PayPal account. Isn't it incredible?
Oh my goodness. I love it, Jenny.
I'm sure you do. It also mentions that after you hit the barrier, the start screen will display a cash out and donate button. After that, simply select cash out and input the email address associated with your PayPal account. Another amazing feature of this website is that payments are processed every week. So it says right here that once you request a payout, they will process your payment on Thursday, and the money will be available in your PayPal account on Friday. Quick and simple.
I'm really loving this website, Jenny. Tell me more.
Yes, of course. Allow me to expand on 3 reasons why I adore this website even more. So, clearly, the first benefit is that the revenue you will receive from this platform will be completely passive, which I know you appreciate. To begin earning, you do not need to take any surveys or complete any offers. Furthermore, there are no hidden duties. All you have to do to begin earning is register and wait for the firm to send you SMS messages via your telecom courier. The second feature of this website that I find appealing is that unlike other platforms, it does not force you to provide personal information such as your name, age, work status, and so on. All you have to do now is provide them your phone number. Finally, they are backed by a reputable Dutch firm, and your data will be housed on a secure server in the Netherlands, with all of their services adhering to rigorous privacy guidelines, so there's nothing to be concerned about.
Dang, Jenny, there is a lot of cool things that's really cool about this website. It makes me want to download it like now.
I know you are really enjoying it, Shelly. But before that, I even have some bonus tips for you to increase your earnings around here.
Oh, Jenny, you're the best. What are those?
So the first extra tip I'd like to share with you is that you may specify specific hours in the app settings to ensure that it does not interfere with your hectic schedule. Another fantastic feature is that you can turn off the app in your settings at any moment if you don't want to get text for a specific period of time. Just remember to turn it back on when you're ready to start making money online. So, if you have an extra Android phone at home, you might want to consider utilizing it instead of your main phone as a bonus tip number 2. So, While the money is held and handled by CM Tech, a well-respected part of the telecom business, utilizing a spare phone should still feel more comfortable and less intrusive, making your life much easier. That's all there is to it.
Wow, Jenny, just wow. This is amazing and cool. I mean, this is one of the greatest websites and apps that I've ever heard of. It truly has a lot of amazing features in it. I love it.
I know, right? That is why I told you earlier that you are really lucky, as this is one of the applications that I know a lot of you will love. So just make sure to check it out and update me, okay? I'm excited for you, Shelly.
Me too as well. I'm so excited to actually start using it. Thank you so much, Jenny. I'll just call you soon, okay? Because you know I might need some more of these methods.
Sure thing, Shelly. Take care out there. Bye.
Bye, Jenny. Pretty cool, right? If you like that, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps other people get to see this video as well. But this is a great way to make money online and you still should do it. But I want you to do what I do because it's allowed me ever since I got laid off 4 years ago to be able to be a single mom and stay at home and tell you guys about all these cool money making ideas. I love it. I love side hustles. But the most and best thing to do that I think, and it's the easiest, is affiliate marketing. Now, stop the video and just continue on to another one of my videos if you don't want to do any work. There's no such thing as pushing in money and money's just going to start flying out. It's just not there, okay? But for something that actually is easy, I mean, you can start your own business. You can sit on a beach, sipping Mai Tais, and literally money is going to come in on your phone. I'll be at Walmart, and it's a lot of times when I'm at Walmart, ding, 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 money just coming in. And for some reason, it's more at Walmart than anywhere. I need to hang out at Walmart. But I'm going to leave the link in the bio. It's the first link in the bio. And just check it out. It doesn't hurt to click on it and see what this man has to say, because this man helped me and I know that he can help you too. So if you're looking for time freedom with your family, whether you have a 9-to-5 or you don't, this is the closest thing to help you start on that journey. So first link in the bio. And if you liked this video, then what's stopping you? Go ahead and watch the next video up and I'll see you in it, because you know what? I'm in it too. Ah!